In June 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, shocked the astronomy world with an unimaginable discovery. The first direct image of a planet outside the solar system, TWA-7b. This was not only a technological breakthrough, but also opened a new chapter in the journey of cosmic exploration. This planet is located about 110 light-years from Earth, and in particular is only about the size of Saturn, the gas giant planet we are familiar with. But what was really surprising was that TWA-7b was the smallest planet that humans had ever seen through direct images from a telescope. This discovery not only surprised scientists, but also raised hopes for the ability to observe many other planets in the future, helping us decipher the mysteries of the formation and evolution of distant planetary systems. And if you think this discovery is just a small step in space research, you are wrong. This is a historic milestone, opening a new era in the exploration of planetary systems that are still mysterious to humans. The newly discovered planet TWA-7b, captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, is not only a scientifically astounding discovery, but also a powerful reminder of the wonder and surprise of the universe. Known as a gas giant with a mass similar to Saturn, TWA-7b is not a new planet to astronomers, but this time, the difference lies in the way we observe it. The discovery is not simply about size or distance, but about how the James Webb Space Telescope has helped us see a distant world that we could only imagine before. The planet is in a young planetary system, only about 6 million years old, meaning it is in the early stages of its life cycle. Indeed, what we are witnessing is a planet in the making, a world that is young, unfinished, and growing by the day. Imagine, it was a special moment when scientists were not just looking at a planet, but at a planetary system in the process of formation in the universe. This was not simply observing, but witnessing the birth of a world. The images sent back by JWST showed a planet moving through a glowing disk of dust and rocky debris, all forming a spectacular scene. A scene that had previously only been imagined through theories was now captured directly. This was truly a milestone because it not only confirmed theories about planet formation, but also opened up new questions about how planets and their star systems develop. We were not just seeing a planet, but also the remnants of the birth of new planets in the universe. Another notable element was the 3 concentric rings of dust and debris surrounding the host star. These structures have previously been attributed to invisible planets that herd objects in the dusty disk. However, this time, JWST has directly observed a real planet, TWA-7b, as a bright point in the ring, clearly indicating its existence in an evolving system. TWA-7b, the smallest mass ever recorded that can be directly observed, is not only an interesting planet but also a major challenge to current theories of planet formation. In particular, it is located quite far from its star, about 50 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. A distance that would make it very difficult for other planets to form, as gas giants typically need to be closer to attract enough material during their formation. This has surprised and intrigued scientists, as this discovery could help them refine their models and theories on the formation of gas giant planets. This observation process was not as simple as we often think. The JWST telescope had to use a special auxiliary device, recreating the eclipse effect to obscure the host star, helping astronomers see the planets and surrounding objects more clearly. Thanks to this technique, they were able to observe TWA-7b from a poleward angle, creating ideal conditions to clearly see the dust rings and rocky debris around the star. This has brought a completely new look, different from previous observations of distant planets. With the development of the James Webb Space Telescope and modern observational technologies, we are closer than ever to understanding how planets and star systems form in the universe. TWA-7b is not just the discovery of a distant planet, but also a major step forward in unlocking the mysteries of the universe. a universe that through the lens of JWST we can now see more clearly than ever before. Observing an exoplanet is no easy task, especially for planets like TWA 7b, which are 110 light-years away. Seeing them with the naked eye is impossible. These planets do not shine as brightly as the stars they orbit, nor are they as bright as the stars we see in the night sky. In fact, they are much dimmer than their host stars, and when viewed from Earth, they are so close to their bright stars that they almost disappear in the darkness of the universe. Therefore, observing and photographing exoplanets is a huge challenge, requiring unprecedented technology and sophisticated techniques. To solve this problem, astronomers, led by Dr. Anne-Marie Lagrange, had to come up with a unique solution. They used a special telescope attachment designed to replicate the effect of a solar eclipse, a method of blocking the light of the host star. When the host star is blocked, its light is no longer as bright, helping to highlight small objects around the planet like TWA 7b. This is a new technology that not all telescopes can use, but thanks to this device, scientists were able to separate the planet from the strong light of its host star and see more clearly what is going on around it. On top of that, observing this planet also faces another big challenge: the distance between the planet and its host star. TWA 7b is located about 50 times the distance from its star that the Earth is to the Sun. This may seem very far away, but it is this distance that provides a valuable opportunity for research. Scientists say a gas giant like TWA 7b would not have formed at this distance according to conventional models. That's what makes the discovery all the more important, because it could force scientists to change current theories about planet formation. The fact that TWA 7b exists at such a great distance could be a sign that the universe is working in ways we never thought possible. In addition, astronomers had to use an extremely sophisticated observational technique to not only see the planet, but also the structures around it. In the first images, they discovered 3 concentric rings of dust and rocky debris orbiting the star. These structures had previously been theorized to be created by invisible shepherd planets, but this time they were able to directly observe a real planet, TWA 7b, as a bright spot in the middle of the dust disk. This not only confirms theories about planet formation, but also opens up new questions about how gas giants form and evolve. It can be said that each step forward in observing the planet TWA 7b is a challenge, but at the same time, an important breakthrough. New technologies, combined with innovative observation methods, have helped scientists break old limits, opening up research opportunities that were previously thought impossible. The first images of TWA 7b are not only the result of a tireless effort, but also a testament to the progress of science and technology in exploring the deep mysteries of the universe. And now, we are not only seeing planets, but also witnessing a planetary system in formation, a young planet developing right before our eyes, opening up new stories that science will continue to explore. The discovery of TWA 7b is a major breakthrough in the study of exoplanets and the formation of planetary systems. More than just a snapshot of a distant planet, TWA 7b offers a direct look into a planetary system in its infancy. The planet, which is only 6 million years old, is witnessing its own formation. This provides an invaluable opportunity for scientists to better understand how the planet and its star evolve. TWA 7b has a mass similar to Saturn and was imaged directly using the cutting-edge technology of the James Webb Space Telescope, changing the way we think about planet formation. The discovery expands our understanding of gas giants, with TWA 7b located 50 times farther from its star than Earth is from the Sun, challenging previous theories about planet formation conditions. The appearance of TWA 7b not only confirms existing hypotheses, but also raises new questions about the universe. Thanks to JWST technology, We have the opportunity to delve deeper into mysteries that we could only dream of before, opening up unexpected discoveries in the journey of exploring the universe. Certainly, this is just the beginning of our journey to learn about distant planetary systems. With increasingly advanced technology, we will continue to explore and decode the unknown mysteries. Let's follow this journey together, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future discoveries. Follow us to explore new wonders of the universe, where miracles always await.